posting 3 times a week, you may be posting too often.
Yeah, might be doing too often. Yeah.
And if they're not posting at all, Google will go, okay, well, these 2 here aren't posting at all, and they've got 20 citations. He's got 4 citations posting every day. That's a bit odd. So you have to think it's all algorithms and automation now with Google. So you have to really watch what other people are doing and sort of mirror them a little bit.
If you were watching a chorus of singers and one person is singing completely in a different tone and a different key, that's what the algorithm's going to pick up. Whereas if you're in the pack and you're in key with everything else that's successful, you're not going to set off alarm bells with the algorithm as much as if you start to do something over optimized or you do something over the top. That's why I always recommend, fly under the radar. That's the only way to do mass page. It's the only way to do SEO today is to fly under the radar. Don't send off any alarm bells. Don't over force what you're doing down Google's throat, because that doesn't work today. It won't work.